Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm going to share with you a little grocery haul. Guys, I've been out all day. I just got home. It is 3:30 p.m. Guys, I went to Five Below, three Dollar Trees, Dollar General, a 99-cent plus store here in my town. Guys, looking for the buffalo check ribbon. Can't find it anywhere. Nope. I got the little thin one, so that's going to be a collaboration coming up, guys. But anyways, let's talk about my foodie haul. This is what you can buy with $65.77. And my store of choice is priced right. Alright guys. Of course, Funyuns and Cheetos, they are $2 for $4. So my husband got 6 of these and I got 4 of these. So that's that. So here's the rest of my Cheetos. Here I have the yellow plantains. I like eating this in the morning with some fried eggs over easy and bacon. It is so good. So 59 cents each. So I got 2 of those. The bread, it went up to 29. So the top split wheat. And then this one is the sweet potato bread. My husband liked this for his hamburgers. This one was $4.49. So that. But I also miss sandwiches for him to take to work. And of course, peanut butter. I buy the store brand. It tastes the same thing as Skippy. To me, it's the same thing, but this is a better value because this is the 64 ounce, the 40 ounces, and it's $3.99. The other one is $3.99, but it's smaller in a thinner jar. So I got that. I got a box of crackers. Guys, don't forget, we also have the wood serving collaboration coming on. And that's going to be in the calendar of collaboration. Check out the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And I forgot to mention, this is the foodie haul. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Deborah Cabasa. So we just want you guys to share your groceries with us. And if you could share the prices, like that we know in the state that you are compared to the state that we are. So this one was 2 for $8 and 1 for $4.39. So got that. And of course, I told you guys my husband loved his ices, so he bought 3 of these, 2 for him, 1 for my grandchild, and I believe these are $2.29. And of course, my box of Activia, this is $3.99, and you get 80 packages. Okay, this is a good yogurt, guys. This is the I can pronounce that, but this is those yogurts, and I like it because they're very high in protein and low in sugar. So this is a good buy. This was $4.50 or $4.60. I'm not sure. And of course, you know, I have to grab a box of cake mix to make my husband's cakes. Guys, my husband likes to buy this. I don't know how much is this, and I'm not even going to ask him. All right, guys, that's my first bag. And then in the second bag, a bag of confectional sugar. This is what I use to make my frosting. I make my own frosting. So this was $2.99. And I told you guys, see, 2 more boxes of ices. So we'll put that there. Then we bought fish. This is $7.99. $7.99, and look at how small of the little piece this. And this is catfish. My husband loved this, so we'll put that in the sink. The eggs, the 18 counts, it was, I believe, 319. 219. I will actually want to tell you the prices on the eggs, because I know a lot of people have been saying that they pay a lot for the eggs. I cannot even find it here. Oh, 309. This is 309 for the 18 count. And then we got a pack of hot dogs. Guys, I've been looking for the little cocktail, little tiny hot dogs that you wrap up in bacon and you bake. But you can find them on the stores. This is my fourth time looking for them. I can find them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this in half and I'm going to do it like I would do the little mini cocktail with it. This was $1.99. And then today for dinner, we will be having some hamburgers. So this is 6.33, and these are quarter pounders. So they're pretty thick. I don't know if you guys can see through there, but they're thick and they're really good, guys. So guys, that's my little tiny grocery haul. So guys, I hope you guys are doing good. And by the way, guys, I hope you guys can join us for the Lantern Open collaboration, for the Cozy Corner vignette, and also for the wood collaboration, the serving wood collaboration. And guys, also join us on Quick and Easy Meals. Just whatever you cook, share it with us, and just use the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals and put the host in your description box below, which is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabasa, Home Living, and Jean Home Decor, and more. Guys, well, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.